Okay, you guys in California, you've probably heard about Hurricane Hilary. I'm here to tell you right now that Southern California is not going to get hit by a hurricane, but this is the first time that the Hurricane Center has ever issued a tropical storm watch for Southern California, okay? So regardless of whether it's a tropical storm or just a remnant low, the biggest thing I'm concerned about is really heavy rain. The heaviest of it is going to fall on Sunday, especially late in the day. It may linger into early Monday. You can see the flood threat we have here on Saturday, a level 3 out of 4. On Sunday, it's going to be a level 4 out of 4 risk, which is a high risk, which is also something that we've never seen issued for the desert area in Southern California. So guys, this is going to be a pretty serious flooding event, I would say. The wind could be a little bit of an issue. Could see some gusts over 40 miles an hour at times, maybe some sporadic power outages, but I'm much more concerned about the flooding.